Looking for advice about your Lenovo device? Lenovo Community is the perfect place to fix problems, share ideas, and meet fellow users. Our community is like a huge library full of contents created by Lenovo users and employees. We're sure you will find out that answers to some of your questions are there already. Go to forums.lenovo.com. At the top of the community page there is a search box. You can use it to find content related to your question. You can filter your search results by location in community, date created, author, and contents like attachments and pictures. You can also sort your search results by date, number of views, solved, and by best match. You can also choose to only view solved discussions. If you don't find an answer to your question, don't worry. Just ask your own question. We will do our best to get back to you within 24 hours.